Welcome to this meditation tailored specifically for anxiety relief. If anxiety has been a constant presence on your life's path, you've found a supportive space here. If you're with us for the first time, you might like to start with the first meditation in our series that focuses on mindfulness and clarity. Click on the card above to see all videos in our meditation series. Okay, find a quiet space and settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and let's begin with intentional breathing. Centering breath. Inhale with a sense of purpose, allowing the air to expand your chest and fill your lungs like a soothing breeze. As you draw in this life-affirming breath, envision a wave of tranquility washing over you, cleansing away any remnants of stress or tension that may linger within. Feel the rhythm of your breath syncing with the natural vibration of the universe, creating a harmonious dance of inhalation With each exhale, release not only the physical tightness but also the weight of any worries, permitting them to dissolve into the ether. Grounding. Picture yourself in a serene place, a meadow, a beach, or a forest. Engage your senses in this mental landscape. As you breathe, visualize roots extending from your body, connecting you to the earth. With each inhale, draw in stability and support. Know that you're firmly grounded, safe from the turbulence of anxiety. Mindful observation. Gently open your eyes and soften your gaze as you observe your surroundings. Notice colors, shapes, and textures without fixation. This mindful observation redirects your focus from anxious thoughts to the present moment. In this moment, anxiety has no power. Perspective. Now let's explore the power of putting anxious thoughts into perspective. Anxiety often thrives on distorted perceptions and exaggerated worries about the future. Take a moment to acknowledge any anxious thoughts that may arise. Instead of letting them dominate your mind, consider this. Are these thoughts based on facts or assumptions? Challenge the validity of your anxious thoughts by asking yourself if there's evidence supporting them. Often, you'll find that anxious thoughts lose their grip when exposed to the light of rational scrutiny. Remember, you have the ability to discern between real threats and anxious illusions. Embrace this perspective as an additional tool in your anxiety relief arsenal, allowing you to reclaim control over your thoughts and reactions. Empowerment. As we navigate this meditation journey together, let's address the powerful notion of empowerment. Anxiety can sometimes whisper self-doubt and notions of inadequacy, fostering a sense of inferiority. It's crucial to recognize that these feelings are often distortions created by anxiety, not reflections of your true worth. Embrace the truth that you are inherently valuable, deserving of love, acceptance, and success. Picture yourself as a resilient force capable of overcoming challenges. Release the weight of comparison and self-judgment, for you are a unique individual on your own path. Affirm your worthiness and let go of any narrative that suggests otherwise. By doing so, you dismantle the foundations of inferiority, paving the way for a mindset rooted in confidence, self-love, and empowerment. Carry this newfound strength forward, knowing that you are a beacon of resilience, worthy of all the positive experiences life has to offer. Affirmation. Repeat the affirmation. I release anxiety, and I am in control. As you affirm these words, feel the strength and truth behind them. Allow the mantra to act as a shield, dispelling anxiety and empowering you with a sense of control over your emotions. Body scan relaxation. Shift your focus to your body. Starting from your toes and moving upwards, scan each part of your body. With each area, consciously release tension. Imagine a wave of soothing energy sweeping away anxiety. Feel the lightness and calmness as this wave passes through. awareness and counting. Return to your breath. Focus on the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. As you breathe, count each breath, starting from 1 and going up to 5. This rhythmic counting creates a sense of order, calming the mind and providing a structured focus during moments of anxiety. Closing breath. As we wrap up, take a few deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any remaining anxiety. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this newfound sense of calm and control with you. You have the tools to navigate anxiety, and you are not alone. Thank you for joining in this anxiety-busting meditation. If you enjoyed this meditation, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next session of our meditation series. May you find peace and serenity.